Today I'm reworking the audio on this video that I put out 2 years ago, so I thought we could use a hot wing recipe, and this is one of my favorites. So here I have 2 pounds of chicken wings. I'm adding salt to taste, and this is probably somewhere between a half teaspoon of salt. I'm going to be baking these in a preheated oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. While those are baking, I'm going to work on my wing sauce. Here I am zesting a lime. I'm going to be using around a half teaspoon to a teaspoon of lime zest. And I'm going to go ahead and slice into this and juice the lime. You want to work with around a 1/4 cup of lime juice. By the way, be sure to check the description and I will put the ingredients and measurements used in this recipe. Okay, next I'm going to be adding 4 ounces of hot sauce. I am using Tapatio hot sauce. You can use what you prefer. Now I'm going to be adding 2 ounces of beer. You could use the beer of your choice. I'm going with Corona Extra. Now I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of Maggi seasoning sauce. If you cannot find Maggi, you can definitely use soy sauce. And if you haven't figured it out, I'm basically using the flavor profile of a Michelada, which I love. So I've added the lime zest to the sauce. Now I'm going to take it over to my saucepan and we are going to add more ingredients. I'm going to give it a quick stir, and now I'm going to add a half teaspoon of garlic powder. You'll notice I only started with a 1/4 teaspoon, but I did add more later. I'm going to give that a mix. And then next, I'm going to simmer this for 10 minutes on a medium-low heat. I'm also going to be adding a pinch of sugar, maybe 1/8 teaspoon. It's just to balance the zesty flavors and the heat. Now I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. I started with 1 tablespoon and then added another later. Now I'm going to work on a blue cheese dip. Here I have 8 ounces of sour cream right into the bowl. I'm using a 1/3 cup of mayo. I will also be adding 2 teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce, and I will be adding pepper to taste. And I will also be adding around a half teaspoon of Louisiana hot sauce. You could use a hot sauce of your choice, but I find Louisiana hot sauce to be a bit tangy that I like in my blue cheese dressing. So I'm just going to combine these ingredients well. And now I'm going to add 4 ounces of blue cheese crumbles. You can definitely double this recipe to make more if you are a blue cheese fanatic like I am. So this is ready. I'm going to just cover it in cling wrap and keep it refrigerated until I'm ready to use it. Okay, my chicken wings are ready and baked. So I'm going to remove them from the oven, and then I am going to toss them with some of my sauce. I am going to reserve some sauce to finish the wings in, and I'm just going to toss them right here in the bowl, coat them. Then I'm going to return them to the oven. I will bake the sauced wings for an additional 10 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And then when they are done, actually in hindsight, I probably could have broiled these, but do what you will. So now I'm just going to remove them from the oven and toss them in the reserved wing sauce, and these are done. And I want to show you, I love to make double of this recipe and serve it as a party platter, and I'll show you how I plate these. I'm just going to put them right on a platter with the blue cheese dressing in the middle, and I like to serve them with a variety of vegetables. And here's the best part, I am going to sprinkle Tajin all over these, and you can do that to taste, and these are my favorite wings ever. So I hope you give this recipe a try. I hope you like it, and thanks for watching.